Kape, wala ba kayong palakpakan dyan? So sa di kahinaman sa tanan, niabot na ang oras o panahon. The Marriage Party Celebration 2026 held at Sitio Kinasangan o Barangay Pook, Santa Pisico. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of our secondary sponsor, may I secondly, we have our principal sponsor. Kompleto ba ang principal sponsor daily? Okay lang. Basta mga guwapo o guwapa, you are welcome. First, we have our principal sponsor. And may I call in Evangeline Ilustrisimo and Evangeline Ilustrisimo. Sino? Mr. Randy Hilboy na. Sige, pasok na lang Sir Randy naman. Imong partner. Our first principal sponsor. Randy Hilboy na. Gloria Hilboy na. Okay, Mr. Maestro background. Secondly, we have Numito ni si Sayona, wala. Pablo Ilustresimo and Leonie ni si Sayona, wala. Mr. Pelino and Jocelyn Cabrera Moraga. Mr. Maestro background. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Wow, so ladies and gentlemen, dili mahimo kung wala ni sila ang the parents of the bride, Mr. Wilfredo and Lilia Burdin. Mr. Maestro, pagpasukatan ninyo. Okay. Well,
doon bago sa'yo. Morning kasal dire doon. Oy, dito kan. Dito baba. Betul, semua yung bagay. Okay, ready ko ni. Semua yung ba.
gentlemen, ako gihangyo ang tanan, mga buutan nga bisita sa nagkalaylay lugar, sitio or barangay. Don't worry, be happy. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Akong gihangyo ang tanan sa pagpinto. Mr. Maestro, ready na? Ladies and gentlemen, ang atong bagong kinasal, our new couple, this afternoon or this year. Love is on the air. So, nagkahigugmay ba dyan ni? Okay, of course, since how many years? The grand entrance of our
Kasama diri ito.
new couple.
Kang Jinke.
Love is not finding someone to live with. It's finding someone you can live without but still survive. Umulan man, bumagyo, lumindol, kahit ano. Ladies and gentlemen, atong sugaton sa pinakamasipang pakpak ang atong bagong kinasal. Mr. Maestro. O Dan, paso man. Papa! Mr. Dinky and Ma'am Juanma Batuhan Napsyang. Papa! Okay na. So, pwede na makalingkod ang tanan. Dinky and Walma Batuhanan. So, we have as my family na, no? Gutom na. It's a time to shine. It's a time to dinner. Or dinner rather, lunch. Paniod to.